today we have come about 45 minutes away from Almería, so maybe about an hour and a half away from Mahaca into the mountains, and we've come to a little place called Laroya, and it's a lovely little place, famous for its marble. It only has a population of about 193, so it's very small. There's one or two little hotels and a couple of little bars and a lovely church, and that's about it. But there's a few little hiking trails you can take. We're just going to take a small one. It's about 2.5 kilometers, about half an hour, 40 minutes. Let's see what happens. This is an absolutely amazing, lovely place, and we seem to have it to ourselves today, but what a place to come. I'm sure it'd be very hot in the summer, but it's gorgeous. I don't know if you can hear the trickle of running water down in the rocks below us there, and we're going to carry on round here. We don't really know where we're going, but we hope to end up that way, so come on. This little bit offers a little bit of shade from the sun. Not so bad this time of the year in late February, but I'm sure if you were here in July or August, you'd be very glad of it. And a bit of a old derelict building here. And if you've still not done enough with your walk, there's a few exercise machines here that you can carry on your exertions with. So it seems that we maybe got a little bit lost and didn't quite end up doing the circular route. QR code here that we didn't see where you can download the map. Maybe you should do that. A little shaded area, and then it looks like they've also got things if you want to barbecue here as well, which would be nice in the summer. Yeah, really nice place to come and have your barbecue or your picnic. It really is a nice place. Is that? Here is the Laroya. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a fantastic place. I don't think we've seen all of it, to be honest, and we'll certainly try and get back here again. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.